Hello guys! This little Yaris is going to have some nice wind protector. You can see it here. Wind protector. I don't know if this is the correct name, but anyway. Let's see if we got the right one first. Here we go. Okay, inside there are two things. There are some manuals, which are very nice to read. And there's a big booklet, which is a lot of the things you don't need. It's really easy. You really don't need the manual. You started with this corner up here, just to check that it's fitting. Yes, it looks good. Putting the window down, of course. And then make sure you have it all the way up here. And then it's the tricky part. Tricky part is down here. Let's see. Oh, that was not good. Let's see. Here we go. And it's important that this part is not inside, but like this. Let's see if this is working. Yeah. Ah. That was a big success, first try. Look at this. Amazingly nice, eh? And if you want to see this brand, you have to come closer. Here we have it. What is this called? Climair. Made in Germany. Big success. Yaris with, what is this called? Windscreen? I'm really not sure. Let's see. Achtung. It's in German. Ah, wind deflector is the correct word. But that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully I can see you in the next one. Goodbye.